Hey everyone, space enthusiasts and tech junkies alike. Welcome back. Today, we're celebrating a monumental achievement by SpaceX, one that's rewriting the rulebook on rocket reusability. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the story of a very special Falcon 9 booster, tail number B1062. Remember those days when rockets were one-shot deals, used once, then left as fiery debris in the atmosphere? Well, SpaceX is changing that game entirely. Their Falcon 9 rockets are designed to be reusable, slashing launch costs and making space more accessible than ever before. It's a game changer, and B1062 is leading the charge. B1062 isn't your average rocket. This seasoned veteran first blasted off in November 2020 and hasn't looked back since. Think of it as the Michael Jordan of rockets, racking up an impressive records of missions. It's launched GPS satellites, delivered astronauts to space on historic missions like Inspiration 4 and AX-1, and has even deployed countless Starlink satellites, building that massive internet constellation in the sky. Now, let's talk about that record-breaking 21st flight on May 17th. This wasn't just another launch, it was a testament to B1062's resilience and SpaceX's engineering prowess. Imagine a car clocking 21 million miles. That's the kind of incredible feat we're talking about here. But B1062 wasn't flying solo. It carried 23 Starlink satellites, destined for low Earth orbit. These satellites are like tiny internet cafes in the sky, beaming broadband connectivity to remote corners of the globe. With each successful Starlink launch, SpaceX gets closer to its ambitious goal of blanketing the planet with high-speed internet. Remember those fiery rocket demises of the past? Not with B1062, just like its previous flights. 8.5 minutes after liftoff, B1062 gracefully returned to Earth, landing precisely on the SpaceX drone ship, a shortfall of gravitors. This wasn't just a landing, it was a victory dance, a celebration of reusability, and a glimpse into the future of space exploration. B1062's story is more than just a single launch. It's a stepping stone towards a more sustainable and cost-effective future for spaceflight. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of reusability, we can expect even more incredible feats, more frequent launches, and ultimately, a more accessible cosmos. According to the most recent statistics published by expert orbital tracker and astronomer Jonathan McDowell, as of the morning of May 17th, there were a bit over 6,000 total Starlink satellites on orbit and almost 6,000 in operation. Prior to the launch of the Starlink 6-59 mission, a total of 6,436 satellites launched to low Earth orbit, with 788 going up in 2024. Now, enjoy the view of the return of B1062, so keep watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the skies. There's a whole lot of space exploration to come.
Stage 2 terminal guidance.